In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign people in ClickUp. First, open your browser and head to the ClickUp login page. If you're already signed in on this device, you'll see an option to continue into your workspace without re-entering details. Click the Continue as option to proceed. If you're not signed in yet, ClickUp will prompt you to authenticate. Choose your preferred method, and for most teams, that's a Google sign-in. When the Google account chooser appears, select the account you use for work to access your ClickUp workspace. After you confirm, ClickUp will load your workspace and take you to your recent items. If you have multiple workspaces, make sure the correct one is selected in the top left so you see the right projects and members. Next, navigate to the project where your task lives. Switch to the list view for that space or folder so you can see tasks in a table-style layout. In this view, look for the assignee column. If you don't see it, adjust your view settings to toggle it on. Find the specific task you want to assign, then hover over the assignee cell for that task and click the Add Assignee button. This opens the people picker so you can choose who will be responsible. In the search bar, start typing the name of the person you want to assign. You'll see matching members appear as you type. Click the correct person's name to immediately assign them to the task. You should see their avatar or initials appear in the assignee column right away, confirming that the assignment is set. If you're not sure of the spelling or you just want to browse, you can skip typing and choose directly from the list that appears under the search bar. This list typically shows frequent collaborators and workspace members. Scroll if needed, then click the right person to assign them. That's all there is to it. The task now clearly shows who's responsible, and they'll be notified according to your workspace settings. A few quick tips as you work. If someone doesn't appear in search or the list, they may not have access to this workspace or location, so check with your workspace admin. Keep an eye on your list view filters to ensure you're seeing all relevant tasks. And if you need to adjust later, you can click the assignee cell again to change or remove the assignment. That's how you assign people in ClickUp with confidence and clarity. Thanks for watching, and feel free to practice on a test task to get comfortable with the flow.